In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure sending settings in Docusign Esignature. Let's dive in and guide you through each step with ease and clarity to get your Docusign settings just how you need them. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to the Docusign website. This is your starting point to access the powerful tools that Docusign offers for electronic signatures and agreement management. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to appreciate the intuitive design that makes navigation so much smoother. Next, you're going to log in. Look for the login button on the website. This is your gateway to access your account and all the documents you need to manage. If you're not logged in, you won't be able to access the settings we're going to configure today, so make sure your login credentials are handy. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the Docusign home. This is essentially your control center, where you can manage your documents, monitor your activity, and of course tweak your settings. From here, we'll move over to selecting the admin option. This is crucial because the administrative panel is your hub for making changes to your Docusign environment, including the sending settings we are configuring today. Now you're in the admin dashboard where you have access to a range of configurations. Let's focus on the sending settings. Here you'll find all the options you need to fine-tune how documents are sent out via Docusign. This section is particularly valuable if you're working in a team or with clients and you need to tailor how each document request is processed and sent. Within the sending settings, the Fields and Properties option is your first stop. By clicking on this, you can customize each document's fields and properties to meet your specific needs. Understanding and setting up recipient roles is our next focus. This feature allows you to define who can access or sign your documents and in what capacity. Such setups ensure that the right people see and interact with your documents appropriately. The shared access setting is another powerful tool, especially useful if you work as part of a team or collaborate frequently. It allows predefined team members to access certain documents, ensuring seamless teamwork and preventing bottlenecks in your workflow. Moving on, let's explore templates. These are pre-configured settings that you can use and reuse across different documents, saving you time and effort in setting up each one from scratch. Last but not least, document sources are where you'll select and specify where your documents come from. This might include cloud storage, local documents, or other connected apps, ensuring that your document sources align perfectly with your Docusign usage. With all these steps completed, your sending settings in Docusign Esignature should be perfectly configured to suit your needs, providing you with a seamless and efficient way to manage your electronic documents. Thanks for following along and happy DocuSigning.